always reminds us of Swami Vivekananda's famous quote, "Awake, arise, and stop not till the goal is reached." Born Narendranath Dutt, Swami Vivekananda was the chief disciple of the 19th century mystic philosopher Ramakrishna Paramhans. Attaining the title of Paramhans, Ramakrishna was a follower of Vedantic teaching. After Ramakrishna's death, Swami Vivekananda spread the message of the Advaita Vedanta philosophy.
Born in a fluent family, Narendranath, as a boy, was strong-willed but notorious. Narendra was interested spiritually from a young age. He asked several prominent people if they had seen God, but none of their answers satisfied him. Once, when Narendra's sisters and friends were playing, "Come on, catch me, catch me, catch me! Come on, catch me! Hey, children, you are making a lot of noise. Come here, listen. Today, Sri Ramakrishna is visiting us for a spiritual meet."
Ramakrishna? Who is he?
He is a priest and a great devotee of Mother Kali. I have a lot of work to do. Why don't you all go out and play? Yes, Mother.
Yes,
Yes,
Mother.
mother.
Come on, Narendra, let's go.
No, sister.
बेटा बीच में
Got a boil on my hand. It's paining a lot.
Boil? So? Ha ha ha, such a big boil.
Don't tease him.
नीचे से निकलो जल्दी से, गलत बात है।
Yay, my brother's got a boil. My brother's got a boil.
Stop it! I wish you also get a boil on your hand and you also suffer in pain. As Ramakrishna watches brother and sisters fighting, he comes and stops them.
Narendra, calm down. Your anger can harm your sister. Not everyone is gifted by God. Your every step should advance in the direction of God.
But have you seen God?
Yes, I can see Him as clearly as I see you. You are not an ordinary man. You are Lord Vishnu in human form.
Lord Vishnu? Ordinary man? Can see God in me? Narendra was left puzzled. But Sri Ramakrishna had won him over through his pure, selfless love. And thus began a unique guru-disciple relationship in the history of spirituality. Until at the age of 24, Narendra lost his father. Guruji, Guruji, I'm in dire need of money. Please ask Mother Kali to bestow me with job and money.
Narendra, you go and ask Ma Kali to give you whatever you want.
Oh Ma Kali, give me knowledge and wisdom.
You asked whatever you wanted?
No, instead I asked for knowledge and wisdom.
Go again and ask what you want.
Narendra went thrice, but failed to pray for any kind of worldly necessities, and ultimately prayed for true knowledge and devotion from the goddess. Guruji,
I am not able to ask for what I want. Now you have to guide me.
Narendra accepted Ramakrishna as his guru. Under his guidance, he made rapid spiritual progress. He followed the teachings of his guru and went on to become Swami Vivekananda in 1893 at Chicago in America.
Ladies and gentlemen, I warmly welcome you to the Parliament of World Religions. Amongst eminent speakers, we have Swami Vivekananda from India.
Brothers and sisters of America, I am proud to belong to a religion which has taught us both tolerance and universal acceptance. We accept all religions as true.
Swamiji mesmerized everyone. People from Western countries also became his disciples.
Swamiji, I'm really enthralled about your ideas related to Hinduism. Will you be kind enough to take me in your monastery?
Yes, sister, though different in flesh and blood, we all are a part of the Holy One. Your name will be Sister Nivedita.
And this is the power of a guru. He can recognize his disciple in a crowd and transform him into a guru.
Here's a tribute to all the teachers who ignite our minds with knowledge and wisdom.